When it comes to investing in the stock market, a traditional brokerage account allows you to invest your money in many different ways, whether that's day trading, using option strategies, or simply taking a long-term approach by investing in something like the S&P 500. Now, just so you know, a traditional brokerage account is also referred to as a normal taxable investment account where you can buy and sell investments like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs however you want, but any profits that you capture when you sell an investment for a gain, they would trigger what's called capital gains taxes. All in all, with these accounts, you don't receive the same tax advantages that you would with retirement accounts like a 401k or Roth IRA. But just so you're aware, the companies that provide access to these accounts is called a brokerage firm, and these firms act as the middleman between you and the financial markets, which allow you to easily invest your money into the stock market. And a few popular brokerage firms that you may have heard of that you're about to see in this video include Fidelity, Vanguard, Charles Schwab, SoFi, or Robinhood. But knowing that, before we get started, my name is Sully. I run the company InvestLane, where our mission is to help others learn how to save and invest wisely to build lasting wealth. And all I ask is that if you do find value from this video, that you consider hitting the like, subscribe, and notifications button for future content like this. Now, for this video, I've broken this down into 4 different categories that include the best accounts for simple investing, long-term investing, active trading, and advanced trading, where the first to go over here is best for simple investing, where I'm going to start this off with SoFi. Now, SoFi is one of my personal favorites that I've already mentioned on this channel quite a bit, and that is because they have a super easy to use display that is also really convenient if you are one looking to use both their high yield savings account and investing features all in the same place. In fact, their high yield savings account is one of the most popular ones in the industry, since you can earn solid interest on your cash sitting, potentially reap a nice welcome bonus that they consistently offer, and even the ability to use what they call savings vaults, where you can categorize different savings goals that you have all in one place. But not just that, SoFi also offers many different products towards categories like loans, investing, banking, crypto, or insurance, where they probably have one of the cleanest and easiest financial platforms in the industry to use, and they specifically note their credibility by having 14.7 million members. But as far as their SoFi Invest account, just like many of the top platforms that you're about to see in this video, SoFi also has an automated investing tool that is through robo-advising, where you can see on their page how this feature is meant to help you invest smarter, not harder, since portfolios are built by experts. You can customize with ease, use it in brokerage accounts and IRAs, and even gain access to financial planners. Which, if you're interested to learn more, if you scroll down, you can see much more data and how exactly they go about building and automating this portfolio for you. But to invest completely on your own however you want, they have what's called a self-direct investing account, where they make the process to invest super easy to do. And if you sign up using the link that I'll have in the description below, you can get up to $1,000 in stock when you fund a new account. And I will mention, since you can only get one bonus, if you want to get started with their high yield savings account, be aware that they're currently offering up to a $400 cash bonus, but specific terms apply in order to get that bonus. Which, the last thing to mention here is that SoFi has 386,000 ratings on the App Store with a final 4.7 star review, and they are currently ranked number 18 in finance on the App Store. Alright, so knowing that about SoFi, the last account to mention here about simple investing is going to Robinhood. Now, Robinhood makes investing super easy to do, where they offer stocks, ETFs, crypto, options, futures, and prediction markets, all to get started with as little as $1. But as far as their traditional investment account, they offer 24/7 support, no commission fees on stocks, ETFs, and options, where they even offer a free bonus stock when you first sign up. And a quick note on that is that they state the cash value that you could receive could be anywhere between $5 to $200, where approximately 99% of customers will get a stock worth $5. But besides that, Robinhood offers 24 hours of trading a day, 5 days a week for select stocks and ETFs, where they also have what's called Robinhood Strategies, which is like their own robo-advisor. Not to mention, but they also offer IPO access, recurring investments, and fractional shares, starting with as little as $1. And for those potential Robinhood fans, they also offer what's called Robinhood Gold that costs $5 per month, but depending on your situation, the benefits could be worth it. For example, with Robinhood Gold, you can get a 3.35% APY on your cash sitting in the account, bigger instant deposits, your first $1,000 of margin interest free, free, and a few other benefits like a 3% IRA match if you decide to use them. All in all, whether you're brand new to investing or not, Robinhood is an all-around solid brokerage firm that is a very well-known option, where you can see they currently have 4.8 million ratings on the App Store, a 4.3 star review, and they are ranked number 27 in finance on the App Store. But knowing that about simple investing, let's now go over the best account for long-term investing, and we're going to start this off with Vanguard. Now, Vanguard has just recently hit 50 years of being in the industry, which they are a legacy firm that you've probably heard of, where they do have massive credibility in the industry for having their own in-house mutual funds and ETFs. And a fun fact about them is that they operate the largest ETF in the industry, that is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF with the ticker of VOO, that has about $1 trillion in assets under its management. And not just that, but they have also recorded to have two of the largest, most held mutual funds in the industry, proving their dominance as an investment fund issuer, since they have some of the lowest cost in the industry that make them super popular. But as far as their brokerage account, it requires $0 to open, it's very flexible, has no contribution limits, and no early withdrawal penalties. And if you scroll down from there, you can see the simple differences between their popular brokerage account and brokerage IRA option, and even a 529 account that they offer, which is really nice to know, since at least I personally feel the use of a Vanguard account is best for long-term investing. Now, one thing to realize here is that Vanguard's display is much more basic overall than the previous ones I just mentioned. So if you are a simple buy and hold investor, or you're just looking for a place to have an IRA for long-term investing for your retirement, each of the three that I'm about to show you for long-term investing would be great options to consider. But before I go over the second option, just know that Vanguard currently has 177,000 ratings on the App Store with a 4.6 star review, and they are currently ranked number 90 in finance. Knowing that, the second best account here for long-term investing goes to Fidelity. Now, Fidelity has been privately held since their founding in 1946, where they of course have done an excellent job developing their business as technology has advanced. Which, a fun fact for you is that Fidelity, if I could only pick one, would be my personal favorite that I'd recommend. Where another cool thing to point out is that they are headquartered in Boston and employ over 80,000 associates over 11 countries, 14 global regional sites, and 215 investor centers, which are physical branch locations you could go in and visit that every company before this I have mentioned does not have. But as far as their brokerage account, Fidelity does a great job allowing investors to easily choose their investments, set investing on repeat, get an edge with advanced trading, invest with $0 commission, earn a competitive rate on uninvested cash, and also get live 24/7 support, which is great from my personal experience. Aside from that, they also have in-house mutual funds, ETFs, and many more options for you to consider using. And they also have a solid mobile app to simply trade on the go or use their Advanced Trader Plus platform for advanced trading, which they also have solid research and analysis tools that you could use as well. Which, if we look at the App Store, they currently have 3.2 million ratings, a 4.8 star review, and they are ranked number 14 in finance. But knowing that, the last account for long-term investing here that fulfills what many refer to as the big three for their credibility in the industry, the third goes to Charles Schwab. Now, Charles Schwab is very similar to the previous two, since they also offer in-house mutual funds and ETFs and many other very similar features. So the choice really either comes down to the little details, like Schwab being known for their in-house pledged asset line, which is pretty much a line of credit that allows you to borrow against non-retirement assets in your portfolio without having to sell your investments, where this can be used for a wide range of financial needs, such as bridge funding for a new home renovations, new business startup, tax payments, you name it. But the reason I like this process through Schwab is that it would be integrated through their own Charles Schwab Bank, which I assume the process would be much simpler. But just like any of the accounts that I'm mentioning in this video, signing up and getting started is super easy to do and should only take you a few minutes of filling out your personal information and other details like your bank account information, which, like I said, I'm gonna have direct links in the description below to help you decide which one you may want to get started with. Which I will say that Schwab also has a solid mobile app, and that I personally use them as my main brokerage account, where you can see they also have 1.2 million ratings on the App Store with a 4.8 star review and they are ranked number 68 in finance. Alright, knowing that, let's now go over the best account for active trading that goes to Webull. Now, Webull is reported by the end of June 2026 to have 28.2 million users, where the company is known for having simple yet effective trading and investing tools that can help you achieve your financial goals, whether that be toward stocks, options, ETFs, their paper trading tools, or futures trading, just to name a few. Which below that, you can also see the different types of products and services they offer, such as IRAs, futures, OTC investing, and many more. But just recently, Webull has advertised how they allow you to now day trade without the typical $25,000 minimum, so there are no more day trade limits. As a whole, the company offers many different tools and features, and they are continuously updating their site to stay up to date with AI, which they also have solid investing platforms, whether that be the desktop, mobile app, or the web, where one of my favorite things about Webull is that they easily offer the ability for you to customize your own layout and what widgets you'd like to see for yourself. Not to mention, but Webull also has 338,000 ratings on the App Store with a 4.7 star review, and they are ranked number 106 in finance. But knowing that, the last category to finish this off goes to the best account for advanced trading that is going to Interactive Brokers. Now, Interactive Brokers, often referred to as IBKR, which also has their own stock under the ticker symbol of IBKR, you can see that they have a market cap of $155 billion at the moment. The company is now in its 49th year and is one of the premier security firms with $21 billion in equity capital, and you can see that the Interactive Brokers Group and its affiliates execute approximately just over 4 million trades per day. Now, IBKR is widely known as the best platform for active traders worldwide, where they offer access to over 170 markets in one platform, where you can explore certain products like options, futures, prediction markets, currencies, US spot gold, and many more. Which they even have 2 separate pricing structures depending on the type of investor you are, with their IBKR Lite and Pro versions, where they are trusted by over 5 million clients worldwide, and many other recognitions for their leadership in the industry. And if you use them, although I'd personally recommend using a desktop since you'd likely be a more advanced trader, their mobile app currently has 1,000 ratings and a 4.5 star review. So whether you are looking for a simple, easy way to invest, somewhere to buy and hold long-term investment with a particular brokerage firm, to actively trading or using advanced trading tools, that right there covers 7 of the best brokerage accounts that you could consider based on that criteria. In the end, the choice really comes down to what fits your situation best and what you're looking for. So if you'd like to compare the top accounts all in one place, I'll have a direct link in the description below to our entire review that we created at InvestLane. And also know that we continuously update this page as things change over time. And at the end of the day, please know that I want you to do what's best for your finances, but do know that depending on which type of accounts you decide to get started with, I may earn a commission for that, which is greatly appreciated. And as always, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notifications button for future content like this.